Hello honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I got this full head of hair, this full glam going on by Hergivenhair. This video is in partnership with Hergivenhair and I do hope you do enjoy this video. Give it a massive thumbs up if you do. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried clip-ins that look like 4C hair. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah!
Hey there, it's Yolz channel.
So I received my Hergivenhair in this black drawstring silk bag, and I started off by co-washing the hair and detangling it with my fingers. Thereafter, properly detangling it once my fingers could go through, I knew the hair was soft enough. I then rinsed out all the conditioner and hung it, and it was ready to be used. So yeah, let's get straight into how I then got to putting it on to my hair. So I'm starting off with my hair in twists and braids. I literally left it like this. I've just been laying my edges, and just to show you, all I did was twist my hair in 3 flat twists over here and then in 2 strand twists on where I'll actually have leave out. And trust me, this is a super simple tutorial. Even the person who can't do any hairstyle on their own hair will be able to do this hairstyle. Let me actually take everything out. You can use bobby pins and wide tooth combs just to hold the hair as you open lines. The lines don't need to be straight except for the front, because obviously we'll blend there and do everything else there. I'm just opening a line right there. Can you see that? I'm just opening a thin piece of hair over there. You can choose to twist this hair up, but I know when my hair is wet, because it is clean, it's got a bit of a wave, so I didn't actually mind not twisting it up or, you know, braiding, pre-braiding, so that it comes out a lot more curlier. I actually just want to see for myself how the hair blends when it's not plaited or braided. So I don't need this side, I need more of this side of things. And with a bobby pin, I am just going to secure that. I don't like the idea of plaiting my hair down completely and then just, you know, clipping everything on, because then it just looks thin. I want volume and I want to only use 1 bundle. Starting with the hair clip with 2 pins, I am going to just open both of them just like that and have a look. So this is when it's dry. It actually looks very natural. And I'm going to clip these right at the back. Now I'm going in with this one with 3 clips, and there we go. You can choose to fully stretch your hair completely. For this video, I actually washed my hair in the morning and a few hours later I did this hairstyle, so there's no need to actually fully stretch your hair, because nobody's going to go through your clip ends and check if your hair is stretched or not. Instead, I love the fact that my roots actually lift the clip ends a bit and give it more volume. So it's really up to you. You can stretch it, you can blow dry your hair beforehand, but if you do want the curly kinky look, you probably just want to stretch the hair in its natural state and air dry if you did wash on that day. Just not too dry, because you want the hair to blend in and look alike. And if you've moisturized it, the shine is still there. So let's say at the moment I'm happy my hair is sort of 80% dry, 90% dry. If you're struggling to bring your hair down, you could definitely use a wide tooth comb. And sort of, you know, I'm not an advocate of combs all the time, but for this style you might just need it. Let's keep it real, y'all. Let's keep it real. So starting over there, when you clip on any clip-in, just make sure that you are opening it and closing it. That way you know you're doing the right thing. You don't also want the clip to hook badly on your hair, so you want to try and be precise. Okay, I'm gonna grab this 2 clip one over there. in. I'm just gonna do another side path over there. Onto my last piece, I'm literally gonna strategically place it over here in this little corner and over there. Then I'm going to unravel these twists and see how we can cover this weft up. Okay, that's also working. So you've got to actually just wring your fingers through, or a comb, to sort of mix the hair and make sure that it doesn't separate. If I was keeping this for a full week, I would definitely open 2 lines and have these flat twists in 2 lines so that I can cover more, especially because my hair is blending quite well. Don't know if the camera is picking that up. Besides the color, I do think this one's it's looking a lot more brown because my hair is obviously still about 90% dry, and once it's 100% dry, my hair should go back to its normal color, which is a dark deep sort of brown. So yeah, now to finish off, honeys, now that my face is done and I am ready to go, I'm happy with the hair, loving this extra volume. My hair must just grow. Please check the link below if you do want these clip-ins from Hergivenhair. Click on it and go get yourself some clip-ins. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this final look, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah.